The top stories. Women's roles in Manipur society is commendable, says Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah. Gai Khangam accuses government of eliminating projects taken up by Congress. And one killed, several injured in different road mishaps on Ningol Chakoba. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah said that Manipuri women have a commendable role in the society. She was taking part in the Silver Jubilee celebration of Imphal Tangkhul Sanaulong, which was held on the theme Peace and Honor at MBC Recreation Center, Deolaland, Imphal today.
The Imphal Tangkhul Sanaulong ITSL celebrated its Silver Jubilee on the theme Peace and Honor at Manipur Baptist Convention Recreation Center, Deolaland, Imphal today. Addressing the gathering, Governor of Manipur Dr. Nazma Heptullah said, Tangkhul Women Association has been working for the cause of women, particularly in Manipur, especially in socio-economic empowerment since its inception 25 years ago. The association has been rendering credible services for spreading education among Tangkhul women and taking up various social activities, she added.
The Imphal Tangkhul Women's Union has been working for the cause of the Tangkhul women, especially for their social and economic empowerment since its inception 25 years ago. It has been rendering credible service for spreading education among the Tangkhul women and taking up various activities of social service. The Tangkhul society has a rich culture, and it is really gratifying that the Tangkhul women folk are making sincere effort for the preservation and enrichment of their cultural heritage, an example of which we saw today's function. I am happy that Tangkhul women have come together and joined hands under the Union for an inclusive growth of their society and participate in the nation building. As you all are aware, India is a secular democracy where people of all religions and culture have been living with honor and dignity. Divisive forces and tendencies have existed in all societies and all the time. The Tangkhul society has also had spells of turmoil in history. Tangkhul women have faced these turmoil with courage and fortitude. There will be challenges in life, and more often than not, women bear the brunt of these challenges in the society. But it should be our endeavor to create an atmosphere of social harmony and move forward together as one people.
President of Tangkhul Sanaulong, Grace T. Satsang said, the main objective of organizing the celebration is to promote peace and to have honorable life among women communities.
Imphal Tangkhul Sanaulong na 25 years kaba organization ki celebration is the peace and honor sina theme oye because ekhoi na thajabadi we a woman has been working for peace aduga dum shanti pamboni ne adugi dama aduga honorable life asi darkar oibagi asi oina theme lakpane and how about the day asi pumnamak de koi cooperation aduga adum thabak to we aduga ne mainly koi ngasi to pasi we support every woman issue the problem labor matam de koi we come forward and work. Yes,
a celebration under the Imphal Tangkhul Sanaulong going on here in MBC Recreation Park, Deolaland. The Tangkhul Sanaulong has been working spearheading for the welfare and the activities that promotes peace, and they handle the issues like crime against women in the state. Reporter Blessing Gangmay with the camera person Rosan, TomTV News, Imphal.
Adivasi Congress Department of Manipur Congress Committee has organized a one-day state-level political conference at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. Chairman of Adivasi Congress Department, Ahau Rai Khan, MP of Outer Manipur, Thangso Baite, member of AICC, MLA Gai Khangam, and other Congress leaders and office bearers of Adivasi Congress Department were the main guests at the conference. Speaking to media persons, CWC member Gai Khangam said that the present government is doing nothing except eradicate the projects taken up by the previous government. He also added that the Congress party will teach a lesson to the present government after winning the upcoming Lok Sabha elections 2019. One person was killed and several were injured in road mishaps which took place at different places on Ningol Chakobi yesterday. Maisnam Gulapi, aged 43, son of late Ibungo from Kameng Awang Lekai, died yesterday at Maitram Lamkhai under Nambol police station. He was driving a Centro car. In another incident, a speeding bolero rammed into a house in Wangjing Sorokhaibam Lekai. However, no one was injured in the incident. Forest and Environment Minister Syam Kumar has appealed to poachers to stop hunting migratory birds that fly to Manipur during winters. The minister said this after some people spotted a dead Amur falcon with the satellite tag Manipur at Kaibuching on the border area between Tamenglong and None districts. Saddened by the incident, the minister also assured that the use of licensed air guns will be discussed in the cabinet soon. Some unknown persons broke and looted an ATM booth near Nambol Bethel School located under Nambol Police Station. Sources said the ATM booth was closed on November 9th on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba, but the incident came to light when the ATM was opened early this morning. The Lamjingba Group has organized prize and award distribution ceremony for the winners of first state-level Ningol Chakoba Fish Fair, which was held on November 8 at Classic Grand today. It was the fish fair organized by Lamjingba Agro at Tidim Ground on November 8 in connection of Ningol Chakoba. Director of Lamjingba Group, Rakesh Mutum, has appealed to the general public to work together with the motive to self-sustain in terms of food. He further added that it is of utmost importance to encourage the fish farmers in boosting fish production in the state.
Karigi ngami oidoino ngami je karigi tha handana thamdoino ngami jina government ki employee choba minister MLA oigera IS officer IPS puna maksiga kai thang marana khoi himba yami da ge have the ekhoi wakhan lakhi hai tare ta se ai ngami ni ha handana khan baje to makhoi lamdam ti chatna bane karigi no nga u da raw da bakana lege ne lupa chonga ta nga kiji proper chonga ta bajibo kana chonga da khuning da nga to khuning ni na the same way of Chumbi Brab, the Hybio, I the knowledge the city. The same Nami or Nami in the production put hope to go to the Kating Nasadino. The same Manipur and Nimo Sako with the Yen Pombazekia, Chanatabli, Imoyuda, Yen Ponadabli. Nagi production says, Walapati, Maparongi, Mian Chasing, Maparongi state, Atop the Lerum Yamna, Manipur, he had grown alone for them. Sabalo, I quit them in a city, Tapaksubi, Sanzian, and their Pagini. Government never Tainabunze Koi. Tainaragai, Atuki Makadama Matam, Unakadama Matam, Atuki Matum to the Quina, Marie, never organizations in the Tanaraga, Kari ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯆꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯀꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ.
Imphal Commandos led by Deputy SP Commando Amit and Deputy SP Commander Rosit Irom under the supervision of Additional SP Operations Krishna Tombi conducted a search operation at various places in and around Imphal city in connection to the upcoming Manipur Sangai Festival 2019. During this search operation, around 220 persons were verified and around 20 persons were picked up for further verification. Well, it's time now for a short break. Welcome back after the break. A team of Lilong police station seized 495 cough syrup bottles packed inside 5 cartons in a car that was heading towards Thobal. The team led by OC of Thobal police station was conducting frisking and checking at Lilong bridge as the car tried to escape even after being signaled to pull it over. However, the police team chased the car down and seized the drugs from the possession of 3 persons traveling in the car. The drive was conducted under the supervision of SP of Thobal S. Gautam in connection with Ningol Chakoba Eve. A case has been registered with Thobal police station regarding the incident. Indigenous Minority Socio-Culture Organization Manipur and United People's Front UPF organized Hill Valley Ningol Chakoba celebration at Sanakonung yesterday. The King of Manipur Laisemba Sanajauba, President of UPFW II and President of Minority Socio-Culture Momsokan Bapui took part in the celebration. Justice of High Court of Manipur Lunsungkum Jamir and 7 other additional judges of Guwahati High Court were promoted to full-fledged judges. Joint Secretary of Department of Justice Rajinder K. Ministry of Justice and Government of India notified the promotion. At least 16 newborns have died at Jorhat Medical College and Hospital JMCH in Upper Assam between November 1st and 6th, prompting the State Health Department to rush a team to investigate the matter. According to JMCH Superintendent Saurabh Borkatoke, 16 newborns have died in the special newborn unit of the hospital between November 1st and 6th. He, however, claimed the deaths were not due to medical negligence or neglect of the hospital. Sometimes the number of patients coming to the hospital may be large, and so the figure of death of newborns may also be large. He added, "It depends in what situation the patients have come to the hospital. This has forced the hospital to sometime accommodate more babies," he said. Assam Health Minister Hemanta Biswal said that a team of experts, including the Director of Medical Education, assisted by UNICEF, and a pediatric doctor from Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, along with another doctor of Assam Medical College and Hospital, Dibrugarh, have proceeded to Jorhat to investigate the deaths. Before we wind up, let's have a top stories once again. Women's roles in Manipur society is commendable, says Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah. Gai Khangam accuses government of eliminating projects taken up by Congress. And 1 killed, several injured in different road mishaps on Ningol Chakoba. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for being with us.